So while I'm waiting on the outside, that mud to dry, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and touch up the floor and the walls. Go ahead and start getting them prepped, get the floor together, get the inside cleaned out so we can get it underway. I must say I did think about a lip at the bottom, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and cut that off, make it flush, and I was gonna extend the top as well, but I'm gonna leave that as is. So I went ahead and knocked that back and trimmed that out also. I found another contender. I don't know where the other one is. Oh yeah. So this here worked pretty good for foam as opposed to great stuff. And this one here works just as good. This here is, both of these are the 1 to 3 inches. This is the 3-inch. I'm gonna show you something else concerning these, as pricing them with the great stuff. Now this is 1 to 3 inch. This is 3-inch. Both of these are $4.48 at the WM. The HD great stuff was $4.48 for the regular great stuff, and then the one with the 3-inch expansion was $5.98, somewhere to that effect. $5 and some change, over $5.48. I know that. I believe it was 98, but at any rate, this here ends up being an even better deal than this. When this comes in a 2-pack for $7.97, I think, at the WM, where individually they are $4.48. And that's how they filled in. You can tell a little difference in the coloration of the 3, but overall, if you're gonna, I went ahead and go to 1 to 3 inch instead of just a 1 inch and get more expansion, and it does swell up really nice. But those are just things to consider as far as trying to help you save money during your build. What I'm gonna do now is, like I said, I already shaved that back. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lip off because I decided I'm not gonna be using this lip, and I'm gonna just go ahead and make it flush, and I'm not extending the top. I'm gonna leave it at the same, at what it is. So after I get this cut, I'm gonna go through and start the mudding on this, get it leveled out a bit, and from there sand it all down and get ready to do what I'm hoping is the final wrap of the skin. So I'm hoping this here is actually my last mud job. Trying to just get the edges smoothed out a little bit, so when I put the trim on, get those areas a little bit leveled, flush, smoothed out. So when it's time for the screen, and I also touch that top back corner up. And that should be it. Once it's dry, got some heavy spots, Once again, this might take a couple days. This here is becoming my handy dandy. And I happened to pick it up from Harbor Freight. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish trimming this up, get the basics, and probably work these edges out a little bit. Have to do some filling in on this side now. As soon as I get the all this touched up, peeled off. Filled in pretty good on the outside, but just to get that filled in. And now I'm just trimming around the bottom edge. Okay, get this trimmed up and work the corners. That little bit on the top, this side. See what to do about that split, and then work the front. Now to sand the walls down to about I guess I'm gonna do about an 80 grit to start with. Okay, so now I have everything sanded down and smoothed out. I did the walls and stuff because, and the floor, any kind of great stuff or Gorilla Glue droppings or anything that may have stuck to the walls, to just smooth them out. And now it's time to do a sweeping and caulking the edges and mudding the walls, getting them all smoothed out, and we'll come back, sand that down. So I trimmed that canvas and fabric off. Have to touch up these spots on both sides. And this here is how I braced up that. Now I'm gonna get that removed and wrap the canvas, or wrap the fabric around the bottom edge and start screening. Okay, just wanted to give you a little idea of how that's turning out. I'm about to sand down that last bit right there, and it's getting pretty dusty in here, so I think I'm gonna actually catch a lot of it. But I'm gonna knock this on down. I told you it gets pretty dusty. But I'm done with the inside, the sanding. Just settle down as it gets swept up. And back to the outside.